My name's Vicky Davis, and I am a South African TV presenter, TV producer, and I also run an NGO. I'm also a mom, so I've got a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. So that's a big reason to get up in the morning. Since the age of 13, I started suffering from quite severe migraines. A migraine is a very small little stroke that you're basically getting. It's just been a problem that's been with me ever since. During my pregnancies, I was hospitalized for a few weeks. In the beginning of 2019, I had an episode of inflammation that lasted 3 weeks, a migraine that literally did not want to break. It was a bit of a turnaround moment where I realized, whatever I'm doing is not working and I need to try something else. So I met Ine Renierse through a TV show that I presented. I had to interview her.
I'm a health coach, wellness coach. We just had a conversation. I said, Vicky, we need to look at things wider. We need to find root causes, and that's where our conversation started. We're steering blindly here. Let's look at your DNA and see what we can learn from that.
And through that, I got to have my genes tested. And it made so much sense.
I contacted Annalise Smith, who helped with Vicky's initial 3x4 feedback session.
I love the fact that it's super practical, that you literally get your dietary interventions, you get your lifestyle interventions, because you can't separate the two. From a detox component, that her system, whenever she's got this emotional overwhelmed state, when she got to that, her system couldn't get rid of those toxins properly, so it would just literally build up in her system and just create this perfect storm for her.
To think that for years I was trying to manage my inflammation issue with this really, really hardcore medicine. I wasn't really mindful of what I was eating. If I'm going to take in a lot of sugar, a lot of gluten, these triggers, then I'm creating a perfect storm in my body where it's a breeding ground for a migraine episode to happen. These days, life is very different. I can actually feel the change. I can see myself being a more energetic mom.
So it's such a wonderful journey with Vicky. She's not the victim of her circumstances anymore. She's very much in the driver's seat now, and she knows how to navigate her way around her vulnerabilities.
You get information that is so personalized and so specific. It's not one size fits all. It's about really having the best quality of life, having your genes tested and having a recipe specifically created for you is the answer.